Picture a man in a cafe. You'd swear he's having a heart attack. Frantic, out of breath, begging strangers for a phone charger. A few offer a cable, but his phone is 2 generations old. This is fight or flight, tunnel vision, sweat on his forehead. Maybe he needs it to pay? No, he's already paid. He's a regular. All of this, over a phone battery. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Our smartphones are no different from a caveman's spear. We feel unsafe without them. And it isn't just the phone. The shop runs out of oat milk, no vegan cheese, no toilet paper. Each one lands in the brain like a survival event. So here is what becomes clear. We never get out of survival. The climb up Maslow's pyramid toward connection, confidence, purpose. It never quite happens. The pyramid keeps sliding under our feet. Stay with this. It explains something every manager has puzzled over. Why everything can be objectively fine and you still feel under threat all day. And why a good person on your team can suddenly switch off. By the end, you'll have 5 practices to catch the slide and climb back. First, a quick refresher. In 1943, Abraham Maslow proposed a pyramid of human needs. At the bottom, the basics: food, water, shelter. Once those are secure, we climb: safety. Then connection, then self-esteem. And at the very top, self-actualization, living your purpose. The vision was simple: master survival, and we would all rise toward purpose. That did not happen. To be clear, millions still struggle for food and shelter. But for most of us watching, survival is handled. We stroll into a supermarket and buy more than we need. We are connected, probably more than we should be. If the Wi-Fi drops below gigabit, we panic. So why do we still live like prey? Because the world evolved and the brain never got the memo. Maslow is not wrong, but what counts as survival has shifted. The brain still scans for threats. And the tiger became a dead phone battery, a passive-aggressive email, someone cutting you off in traffic. Abundance is business as usual, so the brain ignores it. It hunts for what is wrong, what is going to kill us. A nervous system too ancient for a world of abundance. Still wired for survival, not for thriving. And it gets worse. Your brain is a deletion engine. It filters out anything that is not a threat. So you barely notice the good stuff. The full fridge, the warm bed, the people who love you, the steady paycheck. It all fades into the background. Not because you are ungrateful. The brain just deletes what feels safe. What it keeps is the threat. Before you even open the email, the brain says it is bad news. Stuck in traffic, it runs the whole disaster movie. Late, fired, homeless. The same imagination that built the wheel now writes worst-case scripts all day. And the modern world piles on. The news is a highlight reel of everything wrong with humanity. An earthquake across the planet rattles you like a threat on your own street. Social media attacks your sense of belonging. A post misses its 100 likes, and some ancient part of you feels rejected by the tribe. The comparison engine weighs their best moments against your worst day. Now, if you lead people, this gets practical. In 2 directions. The first points at you. Your inbox has cobras in it. One line from above can drop you 3 levels down the pyramid before your coffee is finished. And here is the mirror. Your one-line message. You're quick, got a minute? It does exactly the same thing to someone on your team. Managers are pyramid shakers, whether they mean to be or not. The second direction points at your team. A good performer goes quiet, misses the standard they always hit, stops volunteering. The instinct is to call it lost motivation or fading talent. Usually it is neither. Their pyramid shifted. A mortgage reset, a sick parent, a restructure rumor. Someone operating at esteem and growth has slid down to safety. They did not become a different employee. Same person, different ground. You cannot coach someone at a level they are no longer on. Meet them where they actually are. So how do you stop falling and start climbing? You cannot rewrite centuries of programming, but you can catch it. 5 practices. 1. Catch yourself sliding. Notice the moment the brain spirals, the panic, the imaginary disaster, the comparison. Every time you feel a negative emotion, check it. Is it real, based on something that actually happened? Or is it survival mode, feeding you worst-case scenarios? 2. Calm the body first. We try to control our thoughts, and it rarely works. The body has its own panic memory, adrenaline, cortisol. Convince the body it is safe. Breathing is the fastest way. Box breathing. 4 in, 4 hold. 4 out, 4 hold. Try it before your next hard conversation. 3. Interrupt the deletion engine. Deliberately look for what is working. Make a simple plus and minus chart. Usually, more is going well than not. And if you manage people, do it out loud. Recognition interrupts the deletion engine for your team. It forces their brains to register the wins their wiring would delete. 4. Direct the imagination. It is your movie. You can direct it however you like. Why run Romeo and Juliet when you can run the Disney script? When the brain asks, what if we lose the job? Ask, what if we get promoted? Play the wouldn't it be nice game instead of the what if it all goes wrong one. 5. Accept that the climb never ends. The top of the pyramid is not a degree you hang on the wall. It is a game you play every day. Some days you win, some you lose. If the scorecard is positive, celebrate. The pyramid is not wrong, it just needed reframing for modern life. Survival is a given now, but new things quietly take its place. The pyramid will keep shifting. Life will throw the curveball. With a little awareness, you catch yourself earlier each time. 1 step back, 2 steps up. So, the question to sit with, what is your current cobra? The thing that drops you down the pyramid on contact. Name it, and it starts to lose its teeth. You don't have to manage this alone. Come continue the conversation at Better Managers Club. Start your free trial at bettermanagers.club.